it's me, your Lakwacharang girl Nate, and I'm back with another travel vlog for you and for me.
What?
Huh? So in today's video, yes, I'm here at Liuliwa, Zambales. Yes, you heard me right, at Liuliwa, Zambales, and solo lang ako. But yeah, I'm solo traveling here at Liuliwa, Zambales, and I want to experience the peacefulness of the place. And yeah, as a part of my healing journey. Wow!
Wow naman!
Healing journey. So yeah. Anyways, enough of the dramas and emotional speeches or whatever. But story time, guys. Story time. So kararating ko lang dito sa hostel ko. Sa pag-i-stayan ko here sa Liuliwa. Guys, inabot ako ng 6 hours. Yes. 6 hours na biyahe. Well, hindi na ako nag-vlog kanina sa biyahe. And hindi na ako nag-vlog kasi nga, nag-focus ako sa biyahe. And medyo nahihilo din ako kanina kasi sobrang init. Yes, I'm gonna show you some of the clips na lang that I took a while ago nung nasa biyahe pa ako. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito na. Guys, we're here na. We're finally here at San Felipe Public Market, where I'm going to ride a tricycle going to Liwa. Water and food. Siguro kahit konting food lang. So, yeah. I will be staying here until Sunday, and let's see what we can do or kung ano yung mga activities na pwede natin gawin dito. But right now, I'm starving, like really starving. Kahapon pa ako hindi kumakain ng rice kasi puro tupis yung dala ko. And girl, kilala nyo ako. Kilala nyo ako pag nasa beach ako. I'm just gonna wear 2-piece or 1-piece and nothing more. Kahapon pa ako hindi nag-rice, so I'm really starving now. So, but first agenda ko is hahanap ako ng resto na kakainan kasi nga sobrang nagugutom na ako. Like gutom na ako, be. Gutom na ako. Gusto ko ng kanin. Ciao. Ciao. I'm finally out, and yes, naghahanap na ako ng kakainan ko ng dinner. Actually, dun sa hostel na tinulayan ko sa Alantala, magpa-provide sila ng map. Tapos pipicturean mo yung map. Tapos andun na lahat ng restos, ng bar, and then yung mga papunta sa beach. Oh my god, look at the sky. Ang pretty ng sky. Anyways, I love it. Gutom na ako. So, yeah. Let's find a resto na makakapag-satisfy ng gutom natin. Anyways, parang I want to visit the beach muna. Okay, let's visit the beach muna. Punta muna tayo ng beach bago tayo kumain para sakto dinner na. Total, hindi pa naman ata huli ang lahat kasi maganda. So guys, I made it to the beach and nakaabot ako sa sunset. Sobrang ganda ng beach dito. Like, it's not the typical white sand beach, but beach. Pero ang ganda niya, promise. Ang peaceful, hindi crowded. Yeah, let's enjoy the beach.
Isang dalagang Pilipina. May nakita kong isang babae, di ko malimutan ang kanya imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita?
Kakatapos ko lang kumain. Guys, ayoko na dito. Daming magjowa. Lahat ng nandito magjowa. Tapos pupunta ka ditong single. May inggit ka lang. Anyways. I'm going back to the hostel right now. Magpapahinga and then magsha-shower. Tingnan ko kung kaya ko pang lumabas later. Good morning, guys. So, day 2 here at Liwa, Zambales. So, yeah, kakagising ko lang and medyo inaantok pa ako. I don't know why. Pero maaga naman ako natulog kagabi kasi right after nung dinner ko kagabi, naglakad-lakad lang ako ng konti. Then, uwi na ako dito sa hostel. Tapos, nagligo and then yeah. Basically, natulog na ako agad kasi sobrang napagod din ako sa biyahe kahapon. But right now, I'm currently thinking a lot of things to do today kasi I have the whole day. So yeah, come with me to explore Liwa. Baliw-baliwan na naman, kakagising lang. Yeah. Kalabas na ako. And this is my outfit. Sabi sa inyo magta 2-piece or 1-piece lang ako dito Kaya
You forgot to say the remedy. Now, how am I supposed to be the same way? Now, how am I supposed to be the same way?
di ba ang cute ng ng wall art? Like, lahat ng wall dito actually, merong mga ganyan. Mga drawing or paint. But it's actually cute. Going out to eat lunch because I'm starving again. And inaantok ako, I don't know why.
How am I supposed to be the same way?
I'm going out for dinner and maybe a couple of drinks. Pero hindi tayo papakalasing kasi mag-isa lang tayo. So, bye-bye. Anyways, I'll take you there naman. So, hey guys, just a reminder to all the solo travelers out there, especially to all the girls na din, kung iinom kayo, syempre, you wanna experience the nightlife dun sa place na pupuntahan ninyo. And kung mag-isa lang kayo, wala kayong friends na kasama, please, drink moderately or best, kahit 1 to 2 drinks lang, okay na. Like, okay na yun, girl. Stop na. Makita mo lang, ma-experience mo lang yung nightlife. Siguro mag-enjoy ka naman kahit sober ka So, please, take that in mind, okay? I love you all. What am I saying? Looking so stupid. Day 3 here at Liuliwa, Zambales. I don't know if naririnig niyo pa ako kasi malakas yung sound ng alon. Pero this is my last day here, so yeah, I'm gonna swim. Kakatapos ko lang mag-picture dun sa ATV. Sila. If nakikita nyo, yun yung mga nagpa-picture ako dun kanina. So, guys, let's swim! Let's enjoy the water. Moana tayo for today's video. Moana. Tangin na ba sana ako? It calls me. How far it goes. See. Okay, that's enough. I got wet. I got wet. I got wet. Bye, guys. Guys, to be honest, dito sa solo trip ko na to, I learned to be just happy on my own. Like, kahit pala mag-isa lang ako, kaya kong maging masaya. Like, genuinely happy. And I don't need anyone or kasama na pupunta para ma-enjoy ko yung trip ko. Like, yeah, I just learn how to be happy on my own, and it feels so fulfilling. And sometimes you just have to realize how blessed you are in life. And also for all the girls out there na may pinagdadaanan, girls, you just have, or you gotta do what's best for you, even if it feels like shit. Yes, you gotta do what's best for you, even if it feels like shit. You just have, or you just need to have the power to walk away from all the bullshit that's happening to your life and move on. Be better. Be happy. Because sometimes God will test you to be alone, for you to realize a lot of things. Peace out. Hey guys, I'm going home today, and yes, this is my last day here in Liwa, Zambales, and super nag-enjoy ako. So anyways, dito ako nagstay sa Alontala Hostel and Accommodation. So quick tour lang, iikot ko lang kayo here, and then yes. Guys, this is Alontala Hostel and Accommodation. Doon yung CR. So, this is the lobby. And, yun yung mga rooms. And this is the dorm type. Yes, and also this is the room. So, yan. Quick tour lang. If you guys are planning to stay here at Liwa, you can book your stay here at Alontala Hostel and Accommodation. Lalagay ko na lang dito yung website nila, and I'm telling you that they have the friendliest staffs na nakilala ko, like as in, so super approachable, super friendly, and yeah, they will make you feel like home here. So yeah, all in all, I enjoyed my stay here at Liwa, Zambales. Yeah, the vibe, the chillness, the peacefulness, and everything. We'll probably go back here soon. Balikan ko tong place na to. Ano ba yan? Balikan ko tong place na to. That's one thing for sure. So, yeah. If you like this video, please comment down below where I should go next, or where is my next destination, and give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and see you again to my next travel vlog. So, gale, ciao, adios.